Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If 8 sin theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta equal to sin x, then we have to find x value. Okay, this 8 can be written as 4 times of 2 sin theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta equal to sin x given. Now 4 times of, we have 2 sin theta cos theta. This formula is sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta equal to sin x. Okay. This 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Again 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This will be sin 4 theta. Okay. 2 sin 4 theta, right, cos 4 theta equal to sin x. 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta, we get sin 8 theta. Okay, this is equal to sin x, where x is equal to 8 theta. What is the answer? 8 theta. Okay, now explain question number 2. Find the value of 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. Okay, we have 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, and 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. So sin 2 theta, we have sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, right. So 1 plus cos 2 theta, right, 2 cos square theta. Sin 2 theta, we have 2 sin theta cos theta upon, in denominator 1 minus cos 2 theta. This place in, we should write 2 sin square theta plus sin 2 theta, right, as it is 2 sin theta cos theta. In numerator 1 2 cos theta, take out common. So remaining value, right, cos theta plus sin theta. In denominator 2 sin theta, take out common, this value sin theta plus cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta get cancelled, as well as 2 cos by sin, we got cot theta. Let us go to the next problem. So find the value of root 3 cosecant 20 minus secant 20. Okay. So root 3 times of cosecant 20 value, right, 1 by sin 20 minus secant 20 is nothing but 1 by cos 20. Okay. So let us do LCM. Sin 20 into cos 20. So root 3 times of cos 20 minus 1 time of sin 20. Okay. So this, right, as it is, root 3 cos 20 minus 1 into sin 20. This whole divided by sin 20 into cos 20. So 1 2 divide and multiply. We have 2 sin theta cos theta formula sin 2 theta. Okay. Again 1 2 divide and multiply. Okay, 2 2 is 4 times of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal to sin 60. Sin 60 into cos 20. This 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is nothing but cos 60. Cos 60 into sin 20. This whole divided by 2 sin 20 cos 20. This value will be sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta. Sin 2 theta means sin 2 times of, what is theta? 20. So sin 40. 4 times of, we have sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, formula sin A minus B. 60 minus 20. So this denominator sin 40. 4 times of, this is nothing but sin 40 by sin 40. Sin 40 get cancelled. What is the answer? 4. Let us go to the next problem. 1 by cos 290 plus 1 by root 3 times of sin 250 equal to lambda. Find out 3 lambda square. Okay, first we have to find cos 290 value. as well as sin 250. So cos 290, this can be written as 270 plus 20. Okay, we have cos 270 plus theta plus sin theta. So 270 plus, this is the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So sin of 250, this 250 can be written as 270 minus 20. So sin 270 minus theta is cos theta minus cos theta. So 270 minus, this is the third quadrant, sin is negative. So minus cos 20. Okay. So what is the statement? 1 by cos. So cos 290 value, first write 1 by cos 290 plus 1 by root 3 times of sin 250. So this value will be 1 by cos 290 value, we got sin 20 plus 1 by root 3 times of sin 250 value minus cos 20. Okay, so minus into plus minus 1 by sin 20 minus 1 by root 3 times of cos 20. Let us do LCM. What is the LCM? Root 3 times of sin 20 into cos 20 LCM. Okay. So after LCM, this value root 3 times of 1 into this value root 3 cos 20 minus 1 into sin 20. Okay. This is, we got it. Root 3 cos 20 minus 1 into sin 20. This whole divided by root 3 times of sin 20 into cos 20. Okay. 1, 2, divide and multiply. We have 2 sin theta cos theta formula sin 2 theta. So this is sin 40. So again 1, 2, divide and multiply. So 2 2 is 4. This root 3 by 2 can be written as sin 60 into cos 20. This 1 by 2 is cos 60 into sin 20. So this whole divided by root 3 times of 2 sin 20 cos 20. This would be sin 40. Sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 into 20 is sin 40. Okay. 4 times of, we have sin A cos B minus cos A sin B formula. This is A, B, A, B. So sin formula, sin of A minus B, 60 minus 20. This whole divided by root 3 times of sin 40. In this sin 40 get cancelled. 60 minus 20 is nothing but 40. Sin 40 get cancelled. Therefore lambda value, we got 4 by root 3. But our target is, so what is required? 3 lambda square. 3 into lambda value 4 by root 3. 4 by root 3 whole square. So this is nothing but 16 by 3. So answer is 16. Okay, moving on, next question. Cos theta as well as cos 3 theta given. Then we have to find k value. Okay. So let us do cross product. 2 cos theta equal to a plus 1 by a. Now cubing on both sides. So 2 cos theta whole cube equal to a plus 1 by a whole cube. We have a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So by using that formula, this is 8 cos cube theta, a plus b whole cube, where a placed in small a and b placed in right 1 by a. A cube plus b cube, a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3ab. 3 into a into 1 by a into a plus b. A plus 1 by a. Our target is a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, a cube plus 1 by a cube value given. 8 cos cube theta is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube this 3 times of a plus 1 by a. This value given 2 cos theta. A plus 1 by a value 2 cos theta. This is 6 cos theta, bring the left side. 8 cos cube theta minus 6 cos theta equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, this is, we got it. In this 2 take out common. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. So 2 times of this value will be cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta value cos 3 theta equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. But since cos 3 theta value given, k times of a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, 2 times of cos 3 theta value given, right? K times of a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. So both side a cube plus 1 by a cube get cancelled. So 2k is equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to, we got 1 by 2. Okay, moving on, next question. Root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root 2. Okay, we have one formula. So root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus up to n terms. This formula is 2 cos pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. 2 cos pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay. So in this, where n is equal to the number of 2's, the number of terms. In this number of 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. Okay. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 cos pi by 2 to the power n plus 1, 5 plus 1. This is nothing but 2 cos pi by 2 to the power 6. This is nothing but 64. Okay, 2 cos pi by 64, correct answer. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 minus tan 63 plus tan 81. Okay. So let us take tan 9 plus tan 81. Tan 9 plus tan 81. Okay, plus this, in this minus 1 take out common. This value will be tan 27 plus tan 63. Okay, so tan 9, tan 81 value. So tan 81 is equal to, so tan 81 place in right, 90 minus 9. Okay, so minus tan 27 63. This can be written as 90 minus 27. So tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta, where theta plays a 9. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 9 degrees. This is also tan 27. So tan 90 minus theta, this is cot 27. Okay. We have tan formula sin 9 by cos 9. This is cos 9 by sin 9. Tan 27 is nothing but sin 27 by cos 27. This will be cos 27 by sin 27. Okay. So let us do LCM. Sin 9 into cos 9. Okay, let us do LCM. Cos 9 into sin 9. Sin 9 degrees into cos 9. Sin square 9 plus cos square 9. Minus, in this LCM is sin 27 into cos 27. So sin square 27 plus cos square 27. Okay. So sin square 9 plus cos square 9, this will be 1 by sin 9 into cos 9. So 2 divide and multiply. This is also same. So why? Because 2 sin theta cos theta. We have formula sin 2 theta. So 2 times of this value 1 sin 2 theta. 2 into what? Where theta value 9. Minus sin square 27 plus cos square 27 value 1. Okay, 2 by 2 sin theta cos theta formula sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 27. Okay, this will be 2 by sin 18 minus 2 by this is sin 54. Okay, we have sin 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to cos 72. Sin 54. Sin 54 equal to cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. 2 by this value, right? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. 2 by sin 54 value cos 36 equal root 5 plus 1 by 4. This 4 into 2 8. Okay, 8 take out common. 1 by root 5 minus 1. 1 by root 5 plus 1. Let us do LCM. Root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. So by using a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 5 minus 1, 4. This is root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1. So root 5 get cancelled. 8 into 2, 16 by 4. 16 by 4, answer is 4. Okay, moving on, next question. Find the value of cot 7.5 minus cot 37.5 minus cot 52.5 plus cot 82.5. Okay, let us take this pair. Cot 7.5 plus cot 82.5 degrees. Okay, in this minus 1 take out common. Cot 37.5 degrees plus cot 52.5 degrees. Okay. Now cot 7.5. This cot 82.5. 82.5 can be written as 90 minus 7.5. 90 minus 7.5. So cot 37.5. This can be written as 90 minus 37.5. Okay. So this will be cot 7.5. Cot 90 minus theta, this will be tan theta, tan 7.5. So cot 37.5. Cot 90 minus theta, this will be tan theta, tan 37.5. Okay. So this is going to be cot 7.5. This value, this will be cos by sin, cos 7.5 by sin 7.5. This is sin by cos, sin 7.5 by cos 7.5. Okay. Minus this is also cos 37.5 by sin 37.5. So sin by cos, sin 37.5 by cos 37.5. Okay, let us do LCM. Sin 7.5 into cos 7.5. Cos square 7.5 plus sin square 7.5 value 1. 1 by this. This is 1 by sin 7.5 into cos 7.5 minus. So let us do LCM. Sin into cos. Cos square 37.5 plus sin square 37.5 value 1. 1 by sin 37.5 into cos 37.5. Okay, we got this value. So divide multiplied by 2. So 2 by 2 sin theta cos theta. We have formula sin 2 theta. So sin 2 into this is theta. So 2 into 7.5 minus 2 by this is also by using same formula. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, 2 into 37.5. Okay. So this will 2 by sin 2 into 7.5. This is sin 15. Minus 2 by this is sin 2 times of 37.5. This will be 75. So okay, 2 by sin 15 value we have root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus 2 by sin 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This 2 root 2 into 2, 4 root 2 by root 3 minus 1. This is 4 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. So 4 root 2 take out common. So let us do LCM root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So what is the LCM? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. After this value, root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1. Root 3 get cancelled. So what is the answer? 4 root 2 into 1 plus 1, 2. In denominator, by using a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. This value will be root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So 4 root 2 into 2, but denominator value 2. 2 get cancelled. So what is the answer? 4 root 2. Okay, look at the next question. X value given root under 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Then we have to find 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, so x is equal to root under 1 minus cos theta. This formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, in this 2 get cancelled. X is equal to root under tan square theta by 2. So root 2 square get cancelled. This will be tan theta by 2. So x value tan theta by 2. Okay, but our target is 2x by what is required? 2x by 1 minus x square. We into where x value we got tan theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is nothing but tan theta formula. Okay. Okay, now look at the next question. Cos alpha minus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha minus sin beta whole square equal to k times of sin square alpha minus beta by 2. Then we have to find k value. Okay, first by using a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, this will be cos square alpha plus cos square beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Okay, sin alpha minus sin beta whole square. So by using same formula a minus b whole square, a square sin square alpha plus b square sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha sin beta equal to what is given? K sin square alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value 1. Cos square beta plus sin square beta, this value will be 1. Okay, so minus, in this 1 2 take out common, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So minus 2 take out common, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta equal to k times of sin square alpha minus beta by 2. So 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 times of, this is cos alpha minus beta formula. K times of sin square alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, in this one 2 take out common. 1 minus cos alpha minus beta equal to k times of sin square alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, so 2 times of, we have 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square, where theta means, where theta plus alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to k sin square alpha minus beta by 2. Sin square alpha minus beta by 2, both sides get cancelled. Answer is, therefore k is equal to 2 2 is 4. We have 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. So alpha minus beta by 2. Both sides sin square alpha minus beta by 2 get cancelled. Therefore k is equal to 4. Okay, look at the next question. Cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta value given small a. Then we have to find 1 minus a by 1 plus a. Okay, small a is equal to cos to the power 4. This can be written as cos square whole square, sin to the power 4 right, sin square whole square. Okay, small a is equal to, this is the in the form of a square minus b square, where ab values cos square theta and sin square theta. So what is the formula? A square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, where ab place in, we should write cos square theta and sin square theta. A minus b, cos square minus sin square into a plus b, cos square plus sin square. Small a is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. This value we have cos 2 theta. This value 1. So this is cos 2 theta. So a value cos 2 theta. What is our target? So what is required? 1 minus a by 1 plus a. This is our target. 1 minus a by 1 plus a. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus a value cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. We have 2 sin square theta formula. This is 1 plus cos 2 theta. This value will be 2 cos square theta. So 2 get cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square theta answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget like.